Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya channel. Today is going to be a different video which is one of my favorite cookware collection which I have recently purchased it online. I'm just going to show you the unboxing along with its review. So let's get started. This is the box I received. I ordered these cookwares from potsandpans.in website. So basically, Pots and Pans is an international cookware store who has online presence as well. Mayer is the brand which I have purchased. So this is a cookware brand based out of United States. So these are also available in Amazon, for which I shall give the links in the description box below. So do check that. So I have two here. So one is a saucepan and other is a saute pan. So let us see the saucepan first. So the saucepan is of 2.8 liters capacity and 18 centimeters wide. It says it's lightweight and strong, so let us see that. The price of this product is around 3000 rupees each. So yeah, it is a bit expensive, but let us unbox and see how good it is. So the first one, the saucepan which I'm opening, is a forged stone cookware. So I specifically got this forged stone cookware because it has non-sticky nature and I wanted something to cook basmati rice and pasta like stuff. So the packaging of the product is very good. So this is the forged stone cookware I was talking about. It looks very classy and nice. So it is a PFOA free, lead free and cadmium free cookware. So they are not like the typical Teflon coated cookware which emits toxins or fumes while cooking. So these are absolutely safe to cook. I did quite a lot of research before buying this. So this brand also has presence in many countries. So it is a cold forged aluminum body on top of which there is this stone coating done. So it is pretty lightweight and nice and easy to hold. It has a nice stainless steel sandwich bottom for even heat distribution. The handle is also nice and secured with screws. It comes with a tempered glass lid. It is pretty deep, wide, and it has a very nice non-sticky stone coating texture on it. And this tempered glass lid is also very good because it is not like the typical knob like lid. It has a better grip to hold. So it is pretty easy to clean and wash, and it is suitable for induction, gas and electric hobs as well. So I'm quite happy with this product for its nice and classy look. So yes, it is a bit expensive, but I think it is worth the price when you look at it for a long term. So the next one is the saute pan. So I specifically wanted something in non-stick nature to make something like a shira or a halwa or any other sweet that needs, stirring and, stuff like that. So this is also pretty wide and it is a ceramic cookware and it is 24 centimeters wide and it comes with a 1-year warranty. And this is also PFOA, PTFE, lead and cadmium free. So this is a saute pan. What we saw earlier was a saucepan. So this is made from all natural minerals. Basically the ceramic coating that which is being made, it does not have any chemicals and hence it does not emit any toxic fumes while cooking. and it is suitable on all induction gas, ceramic and electric hobs, and it is also oven safe up to 180 degrees Celsius and also dishwasher safe. So now let's open this and see. The packaging of this is also pretty good. The handle looks very nice and sturdy. So both the cookwares have the instruction manual for usage and cleaning inside. This is pretty wide and nice. I think it perfectly serves for a family of 3 or 4. This also has a cleaning instruction on it. So you can see the non-sticky texture and the finish of the cookware. I am absolutely in love with it, with the easy to grab handles on both the sides. So something like a sabudana khichdi or a jawarsi upma which will stick to the bottom can be made in this very easily. The screws are also big and sturdy on both the sides, even on the lid. Overall, it looks very classy and nice, and I am quite happy with the product. The touch and feel of the non-stick nature is very nice, unlike the other regular non-stick cookware. You can see the sturdy, very sturdy screws on both the sides, and this also has a stainless steel sandwich bottom for even heat distribution. Same like the saucepan. Both of them have the same kind of sandwich base at the bottom. So that's about my cookware. I'm quite happy with the looks and the quality of these two products. So I will also try some recipes in this, and I will also give you a feedback on that. So let's see how it turns out to be. So in the saucepan I have cooked some basmati rice. So I want to test if it is really nice and non-sticky. So I'm using a wooden spatula. So for both these kind of non-stick cookware, I would recommend you to use wooden or any non-sharp edged spatulas. So I'm very happy that not a single grain has stuck at the bottom. And in the saute pan, I'm sauteing some vegetables for pulao, and I'm quite happy with the heat resistant handles. The handles are absolutely heat resistant, and it's pretty easy to handle the cookware. In fact, both the handles, I mean both the saucepan handle and the saute pan handle are very heat resistant. You can see here that there is not a single grain that has stuck to the bottom, so I'm quite happy with the the non-sticky nature of the pan. Now mixing the rice with the vegetables for the pulao here. I also tried making some kind of pasta, and also I tried making sambar. So that is also pretty good. In fact, it's more than an hour that I made sambar, and it's still very hot and it retains the heat very well. The handle is pretty sturdy and strong, so you can lift it by one hand and easy to manage. So that's about it.
So I hope you liked this video, and in case you are going to buy any new cookware for your kitchen, I'm sure you must have found this useful. I'll see you all in the next video. Before that, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Sizzling Vidya channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.